Today we're looking at a studio, apartment 7J on 94th and Broadway. Huge windows, it's been renovated. So here on entry you have a coat and storage closet, storage above. So this is the elevator doorman building. Great sunlight options here. A little overcast, but you get the picture. Full size appliances. Here's some kitchen. And huge, there's some storage there. Huge walk-in closet, look at this. So the light bulb is out, but there is a light in here. Walk-in closet. This would almost fit a single bed in there. And then tiled, windowed, full bath. Here, beautiful. Walk-in closet, full kitchen. All right, thanks for looking.